Good morning, everybody. What's going on with y'all today? This is Danny again. If you are new to my channel, definitely hit that like button, definitely subscribe, follow me anywhere I go. So today I'm going to be finishing up on trying to get this bracket back on. But I wanted to show you guys something real quick. I will show you what I've done so far with trying to fix the frame and everything, and I've gotten everything pretty much buttoned up so far on that end and fixed up to a point where it'll sit straight and not have any issues. So let me show you guys real quick, all right? Let's check it out. I got it straight enough to where I can bolt everything up without having any issues. Yes, I still have a little bit of crinking right here, but I managed to straighten some of this out. I'm not a body expert, but I did my best. And same with that side there. Tried to get everything bolted up, pressed out correctly. But now it's time to put the radiator bracing in. I already got the transmission lines disconnected from the old stuff here. Alright, you can't really see it because of all the grass, but slowly and surely we're going to get everything situated. I still need to clean all the gunk out of here, so I've got a pressure washer. I'm going to wash the engine and everything. So, but yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so if you can see, I got the new brace in. Looking good. I'm extremely happy because it's getting somewhere. If you noticed, I fixed up the bend here and I fixed up the bend here. So now I just need to bolt the rest of everything in, but the brace is straight from where I'm standing. It's nice and sturdy. It's lined up correctly to each of the holes that I need. I even replaced the water pump. So just gonna keep going on with it. I gotta get this done as quickly as possible because gotta go to work here soon. So, but anyways, if you like what you see so far, me doing the replacement on the front end of this, definitely give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. Please, guys, definitely subscribe. You know, I'd like to get some subscribers in, showing you guys what I'm doing. Definitely leave the comments down below as well. I'll definitely keep wrenching and going at it. Like I said, I got the transmission lines already disconnected. Had to fix up the clips that were inside of it. The bracing is on, it's straight. The brackets are on, they're straight. So I'm looking forward to throwing the radiator in, getting everything hooked up, running, and be done and over with having to work on replacing whatever I need to replace on this. Exhaust is done, exhaust headers, that is. I had to take the intake back off because I had to get into this side for the exhaust and make sure I had plenty of clearance for putting the brace in. But woo! Check this out, guys. So my favorite guys are here delivering a beautiful part that I need for Doomsday. And I'm extremely excited because it is just a little after 1. And man, I'm just so excited. Check it out, guys. Here it is. My favorite company coming in to deliver the part I need for Doomsday, so I could get it up and running and fixed again. So thank you guys to the guys at UPS, all the men and women. They do hard work. They do amazing work getting out here and getting all the parts and all the goodies that we need. Please respect them. So there it is, guys. Look at that. Oh, man.
Daniel?
Yes, sir. That'd be me. Yeah, you could just say it, buddy. I appreciate that. Thank you again, man. You needed me to sign anything? You too now.
So you don't believe so? Nope.
All right. Again, guys, thank you. All right. Definitely give a thumbs up to UPS. They delivered awesome. Gentleman here, he's in the heat. Stay cool, buddy. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.
Got that 265 AC going.
Oh, man. All right, now. You too now. Woo! All right. Look at that, guys. I got my package in, and I'm extremely happy. All right. Now that I got my delivery in, let's do a quick unboxing and make sure everything is looking good. So, here we go. It looks beautiful. I'm extremely happy. Let's see, I got, it looks like the rubber grommets are there. Make sure grabbing it where it needs to be grabbed, so I'm not grabbing onto the actual crate. There. And there you go. Check it out. So you notice right here is what I'm looking forward to installing. Now, I'm extremely happy I got this set up because one, the radiator I have in the truck, it didn't have any of this at all. So, but I'm extremely looking forward to installing this new radiator, and it is going to be amazing. I'm ecstatic. I think that even with the new radiator, it's run 10 times better. 10 times better. So, and with this being installed with it, I love the fact that it's already installed onto it. You don't have to modify it. You don't have to find a place to set it. It's already set for you. The piping's already ran into the system, and that's exactly what we need. So you have the option of the trans cooler kit or just the radiator itself. Now, in certain places like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa, everything else, they wanted with the trans kit, all right, transmission cooler kit, roughly about $250, almost up to $400, depending on the quality of the radiator. I recommend, especially if you're running a performance engine and you're putting more mods like I've been doing, you want to have this for your transmission. It keeps your transmission nice and cool. It keeps everything functioning correctly, and you won't have that limp mode that when you want to be on that road or you want to go up a hill, and let's say you've driven for like an hour and your temp's about, let's say 175, 180 on the trans. You don't want it to skyrocket up past 200. So something like this will definitely cool it down. And I'm going to leave everything down below in the description where you can get this, the link to it, how much it costs, who you can talk to. And new radiator, it will breathe a lot better and it'll have a lot better function when it comes to cooling. And I think before I even install this, I'm going to flush all the radiator fluid completely out of the system and go from there. So I'll see you guys here shortly. All right?